Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Nice to see you again. Today I came to River Trent at Nottingham. I will try to catch some fish. I'll just get my stuff ready and start fishing. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, I'm all set up now. Got my bivvy up, got my bed chair, got the chair as well, nice and comfortable. First of all, let's mix some bait up. I got some big fish, explosive caster. It's a feeder mix. I'll just add in the bucket. Then I got some Gusta Special. It's a carp bait, 3mm pellet. And then I'll just put some swim stim, beta in a green, ground bait. I'll add some green 6mm pellets. And I got marine halibut pellets. Okay, looking nice. I'll just mix them all up with my mixer. Okay, that will do it. Yes, looking nice. I'll just cover it up and leave it for about 1 hour to soak in. Then I will add some more water. In the meantime, I will get my rods ready, and I think I will get my Deeper fish finder out to see how the river's looking like. Okay, I got my Deeper Chirp 4 Plus. Let's see what it shows. I'll just cast it out to the river and see what it looks like. Lost it. Alright guys, got my Deeper back. I had to get in the water. It got stuck in the weeds, so I pulled it out. Got lucky this time. So let's try again. Okay, I got it back on my rod. Okay, let's go again. Okay, showing 3 meters deep. Showed one fish. Alright, it's looking nice. About 3 meters deep. Bottom looks clear. So I'll just get my feeders on and start fishing. Let's hope to get some fish. Okay guys, got one rod ready. I got my big feeder full of ground bait. I put some maggots inside the feeder as well. And I got a pellet on a bait band and some worms on the hook. So let's get it out and see if I get any. Ready? Let's go. Very nice cast. Okay, one rod out. I'll just get another one ready. Okay, another one ready. Okay, both rods out. Let's hope to catch some fish. Okay, it's been a while. I think I need to check on my rods, recast them, and I'm getting hungry. I'll get some barbecue ready. Okay guys, got both my rods out. I hope to get some fish today. I'm getting hungry. I had nothing to eat yet today. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening. So I'll just fire up my barbecue and cook some chicken. Okay, let's fire it up. Lovely stuff. Alright, my charcoal is ready. I got some nice marinated chicken drumsticks. I'll just get them on a grill and see how it tastes like. Yes, it smells so nice. I got 8 drumsticks on the grill. I think that should do me for today and tomorrow. Okay guys, my drumsticks looks ready. Let's get them out of the grill. Alright guys, my chicken drumsticks ready. It's looking very nice. And I got some bread and tomatoes. Let's give it a go. The chicken's looking a bit crusty and burned down. Let's try it. Yes guys, it's a really well done chicken. I like it a lot. I'll give it 9 out of 10. Just a little bit shad, but overall it's really nice. And I'm so hungry, I didn't eat anything today yet. And it's 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay, I'll just finish it off and I'll see you in a second. Had my food, it was very nice. Lovely chicken. Let's recast my rods now. Okay guys, I've been fishing here all day, getting no bites at all. It's getting late now. I got my bed ready. I'm so tired. I'll just go sleep overnight. And then I get up early in the morning and do some more fishing. So I'll see you in a second. Morning guys, another day. I need to get up and start fishing again. Let's hope I'll catch some fish today. Let's see how it goes. Alright, the river's looking calm. I'll just recast my rods and see if I get any fish. My alarm was beeping at night. I pulled the rods out. I thought I had a fish, but there was just a bunch of weeds, so I left both rods out. I'll just rebait them and recast them. Okay, one rod ready, feeder full of groundbait, and I got pellet and a worm on my hook. So many mosquitoes this morning. Yesterday I didn't see any. Now they're just attacking me like crazy. Okay, let's get it out. Lovely. Look at this, what I'm pulling out from the river. Lots of weeds. I will try something different on my other rod. I got a floating feeder, and then I got 1 meter hook length. Got a bite, nice. Yes. Yes, guys, what's that? Okay, he had a bite. That's a nice sign. First bite in this trip. I'll try to do some float fishing. Maybe it will work. Let's see. Had a bite on my feeder. Okay, I changed back to feeder. Now both rods I'll just use feeders, because I'm getting bites. Okay, both rods out. Just need to wait for fish to bite. The sun's coming up nice. Just beautiful morning. There's no wind. I'm enjoying it a lot. If I would be catching fish, it would be even better. But still having very nice weekend. Heavy. I got weeds and a stick. Okay guys, got a fish. It's a small one. But fish anyway. I think it's a small chub or something else, not sure. Very nice. I didn't blank today. Okay, I got 1 fish at least. That's great. I think it was a Dace, not a trophy fish, but fish anyway. I'll just get rebaited and get the rod out again. I still got a few hours to fish here. Then I need to get back home. Okay guys, I'm done fishing. I only caught 1 little fish, but that's okay. Anyway, I didn't blank, and I'm enjoying my time spending outside. It's so beautiful in the nature, just getting fresh air. It's amazing. I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes, so I'll just pack up and go home. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers guys!